dictate the direction of the market, especially near term. If an algorithm senses, and algorithms are not human, okay, but the key here is that they are programmed by humans, you see, and the equation, a mathematical equation, are programmed by humans, and humans have to program these areas to technical areas based on historical numbers. So when an algorithm, gets down to a strong major technical area, if you will, and the trend of the market is lower, those algorithms are going to mathematically kick in and go to that technical area, period. They know it's a support area, and they know that they will get investors out there to think it's all over. And so when they touch that technical area, they will hope to create emotions that will sell or short down at those breakdown areas. And those breakdown areas are what you will call a failed breakdown trade. And if a failed breakdown trades, they just don't work. And they don't work in a very high percentage of cases. What's a high percentage? 80% plus. They don't work. Why? Because it's a contrived effort by the mathematics of how algorithms work to get you to do exactly what they want you to do. And that is get people short at the bottom and get longs to sell their long positions at the bottom. And that clears the way on the way up. Because number one, there has to be short covering. And number two, the buyers, the longs, are so upset that they sold out at the bottom that they want to replace those shares, which creates another emotional move right there. Because then they wind up paying up. And that's usually a bad trade as well. So, that's what the algorithms do. And of course, they're down or up, it doesn't matter. It's the same effect. Selling a false breakdown, buying a false breakout. Only the opposite happens if you're buying a false breakout. Cover short covering, get long at the top. You're short covered, that's it. Your short is off. They don't give you any help on the way down because there's no demand to cover the shorts. And the longs are nailed at the top, and they got to sell out, and that provides this impetus to move in the opposite direction. And that is the simplest version of algorithms and the power that they have.